Good day, Sir, Madam. I'm Karina Olatore and I am single. I am graduating with the course of Office Management with Computer.
Okay, good day to you, Miss Karina. How are you right now?
I'm fine, Sir, Madam.
So what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
If you heard me, I am trustworthy, patient, and especially I am honest.
So since you're a first-timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
Well, I will do my job best and I play with the children and make myself busy.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way on how to take care of children?
The proper way of taking home the children is to take a bath every day, and I gave them food and nutritious and healthy food.
So what if you commit a mistake, what will you do?
I say sorry. I will never do it again.
Okay, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
If you heard me, I'll do my best to make my work heartedly and I finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Karina, and good luck.
Thank you, Sir, Madam.